In the heart of West Africa lies the ancient and culturally rich region of Yorubaland. Among the many legends and tales that have been passed down through generations, none is as revered and foundational as the story of Oduduwa, the progenitor of the Yoruba people. Oduduwa's tale is one of divinity, heroism, and the forging of a civilization that continues to thrive today. The Divine Descent. Oduduwa's story begins in the celestial realms, where the supreme god, Olodumare, ruled over the universe. According to Yoruba mythology, Olodumare decided to create the earth and populated it with life. To accomplish this, he summoned his trusted deities, the Orishas, and assigned each a specific role. Oduduwa, a revered deity among the Orishas, was chosen to play a crucial part in this grand creation. Oduduwa was given a sacred task, to descend from the heavens and create land on the primordial waters that covered the earth. Equipped with a calabash containing sand, a rooster, and a chain to descend, Oduduwa embarked on this divine mission. The descent was perilous, but Oduduwa, with determination and divine guidance, succeeded in reaching the watery expanse. The birth of land. Upon reaching the primordial waters, Oduduwa scattered the sand from the calabash onto the surface. The rooster then scratched at the sand, spreading it to create the first solid ground. This newly formed land became Alife, the cradle of the Yoruba civilization. Oduduwa named it Ife, meaning expansion, signifying the beginning of a new era. Alife soon flourished, with lush vegetation and abundant wildlife. Oduduwa, as the first ruler, established a system of governance, laws, and customs that would guide the people. His wisdom and leadership earned him the title of Olifin, the Great King. The arrival of other Orishas. As Alife prospered, other Orishas descended to earth to join Oduduwa in shaping the world. Among them were Obatola, Ogun, and Sango, each bringing their unique gifts and skills. Together, they formed a pantheon of deities that protected and guided the Yoruba people. Obatola, known for his wisdom and creativity, became the god of purity and sculpted the first human beings from clay. Ogun, the god of iron and war, taught the people the art of blacksmithing and warfare, while Sango, the god of thunder and lightning, became the protector of justice and the wielder of immense power. The rise of kingdoms. Under Oduduwa's reign, Alife became a beacon of civilization, attracting people from far and wide. The population grew, and soon, the need for expansion led to the establishment of new kingdoms. Oduduwa's children and loyal followers were sent to found these new territories, spreading the Yoruba culture and influence. Among these new kingdoms were Oyo, Benin, and Ketu. Each kingdom maintained a strong connection to Alife, recognizing Oduduwa's legacy and the spiritual significance of their shared heritage. The Yoruba people thrived, creating a rich tapestry of traditions, art, and religion that continues to this day. The trials and triumphs of Oduduwa. Oduduwa's journey was not without challenges. He faced opposition from rival deities and forces that sought to undermine his mission. One such adversary was Olekan, the god of the sea, who was displeased with Oduduwa's creation of land on his watery domain. A great conflict ensued, testing Oduduwa's resolve and strength. With the help of other Orishas and his unwavering determination, Oduduwa emerged victorious, solidifying his place as the revered ancestor of the Yoruba people. His triumphs and trials became legendary, inspiring countless generations to honor his legacy and uphold the values he instilled. The legacy of Oduduwa. Oduduwa's legacy extends far beyond the borders of Ife and the Yoruba kingdoms. His story is a testament to the resilience, creativity, and unity of the Yoruba people. Festivals, rituals, and oral traditions continue to celebrate his contributions, ensuring that his memory remains alive. The annual Oloju festival in Ife is one such celebration, where the people gather to honor Oduduwa and the creation of their land. This vibrant event features traditional music, dance, and reenactments of the divine descent, fostering a deep sense of cultural pride and continuity. Conclusion. The legend of Oduduwa is a cornerstone of Yoruba identity, a story that transcends time and connects the past with the present. It is a tale of divine intervention, heroic deeds, and the enduring spirit of a people. As the ancestor of the Yoruba land, Oduduwa's influence is felt in every aspect of life, from the governance of kingdoms to the everyday customs of the people. Through the centuries, the Yoruba have preserved Oduduwa's story, passing it down through generations as a source of inspiration and guidance. His legacy is a reminder of the strength and resilience that define the Yoruba spirit, a beacon of hope and unity for all who call Yoruba land their home.